Let us start with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respectable teachers, honorable judges, and all dear beloved audience. Accept my salam, Assalamu alaikum. Nimra is here and I am going to share my views about Anti-Corruption Day. मुफलिसी हिर्से लताफत को मिटा देती है. मुफलिसी हिर्से लताफत को मिटा देती है. बशर को बशर की औकात भुला देती है. आओ उस माँ की भी ज़बानी एक बात सुने जो रोज बच्चों को भूखा ही सुला देती है. उसके दामन पर लगे दाग यही कहते हैं भूख तहजीब के आदाब मिटा देते हैं. Mr. President, corruption is a disease and its vaccination is transparent. Power does not corrupt the people. Now people corrupt the power. Corruption is that ball of snow which once rolled and it keeps rolling. Corruption, corruption and corruption. Terrorism, terrorism and terrorism. Poverty, poverty and poverty. We can talk about the problems but not solutions. Give me a minute, I will give you the solution. The way of life can be free, but corruption. The way of life can be beautifully, but terrorism. The way of life can be changed and beautifully, but we have lost all the way. God's greed has poisoned. Man's soul has been barricaded. We think too much and we feel too little. We think too much and we feel too little. So who will solve these problems? God will, yes. God will cause, but we can't. The power of God is within a man. Not one man, not two men. Not one group, not two groups, but all in you. You, the people have the power to crush and break the roots of corruption. That humans have the power to bring humanity back into the world. That humans have the power to bring peace back into the world. The poet says, यहाँ तहजीब बिकती है, यहाँ फरमान बिकती है. यहाँ तहजीब बिकती है, यहाँ फरमान बिकती है. जरा तुम ताम तो रखो, यहाँ ईमान बिकती है. Ladies and gentlemen, what we got to do? Actually, there are two circles in my society. The first circle is my circle. The poor circle in my circle. What happened? If there a person stealing for billion rupees, his hands are cuffed. He is going to spend his 40 in appraisal. And the second circle, the high fire circle, the circle of rich people. What happened? We the student work hard. We really very work hard. But at the time of result, they tell us that sorry, seat is already taken. Then sorry, seat is already taken. Have you taken our heart? I am only talking about the corrupt through our leaders. इस देश को किसने लूट लिया? इस देश को किसने लूट लिया? इस बात का चर्चा कैसे हो? इस देश को किसने लूट लिया? इस बात का चर्चा कैसे हो? जब अपनी मुहाफिज सोई हो, फिर शोर शिकवा कैसे हो?